Morning from a lovely Monday here in Hiratsuka. It's one day before Christmas and we are going to get Christmassy down to Tokyo. We are going to go shopping in Harajuku. I'm gonna channel my inner 14-year-old high school girl to find some presents for her, and after that we are gonna go to the place that we went to last week, Shiba Park, because there they have a very authentic German Christmas market. And we're also gonna go to Roppongi to see the illuminations, because there are some other illuminations that are apparently kind of bigger than Roppongi, but they do them until like mid-February. Once in Roppongi they end, well, on Wednesday, so 2 days from now, so the last chance to see them this year. We are now done with our shopping trip. I think I got all the presents I needed. Or presents for her. So our next stop is gonna be the Christmas market, as I mentioned, and it's located really nicely. I don't know if you can see it behind me, but that's over there. That's Tokyo Tower. And the Christmas market is located in the park right in front of Tokyo Tower. I think we were here actually like the other day when we went like shopping for like the winter or like the Christmas groceries. We were in this area as well, but yeah, we didn't actually go to the Christmas market, which is our next goal. So yeah, I'm gonna drink some sweet wine and also try maybe some snacks. I don't know how expensive it is, so depending on that we will try maybe 1 or 2 things. But yeah, see how a Christmas market in Japan compares to Austria.
I've been lonely and nights, and from what I can tell, I've done more good deeds than I've told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance. This year Santa's coming home to me. I'm waiting up for you, coming down my chimney on Christmas Day.
So that was our visit to the German Christmas market. I think it was pretty cool because it seemed authentic enough. So they had all of the things that you would expect at a German/Austrian Christmas market, like sausages and beer, and they also had mule wine. Well, they also had shrimps. They also had like yeah, a lot of different stuff. But I think if you are looking for like a semi-authentic experience, I think this is the best option that you have in Tokyo. They have some other Christmas markets that are probably even bigger, but this one is kind of more. I think it's supported by like different parts of Germany. Not Austria, unfortunately, but they had an Austrian stand where they had like Austrian beer and stuff. And they also have this huge tent in the middle where you can hear live music. Right now they are doing like an opera thing. We left after like 4 songs or something. And yeah, it was really cool. And also we met like a YouTuber, Jason Wong, who is apparently traveling in Japan. So we chatted a bit with him, which was also cool. And our next stop is going to be Roppongi, which is the kind of upscale and one of the upscale areas in Tokyo. And they have, as I mentioned, really superb Christmas illuminations there, hopefully. So we're gonna check those out as our last stop today before heading back home, buying some more Christmas ingredients for cooking tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the illuminations if we can find them. That was our visit to the illuminations. So they basically had different stages. One was just a line of trees, the other one were champagne trees, then they had like the main one, which was like a big sea of bubbles, and I think the other ones were inside this building. Actually they had like a big tree and stuff like that. And yeah, I don't think it's really worth coming here, especially just for the illuminations. If you're doing just an illumination tour, you can put it in like as one of the stops. Or if you're going to Roppongi anyways, then you can see it. But otherwise, I don't think it's really worth it. But yeah, we went to the Christmas market anyway, so on the way home, why not stop by to see the illuminations? And yeah, right now just gonna go back home, swing by the supermarket, buy some more stuff for tomorrow. And tomorrow is gonna be finally Christmas, so yeah. It's gonna be the end of the vlog, I guess, and I'll see you tomorrow on Christmas Day. Excited for Christmas? Yay! Yay!
All year long I've been keeping track of when I've been naughty and nice. And from what I can tell, I've done more good deeds than I've told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records